Hi, this is Manny Bains, two-time award-winning author of the book Switch to Working on Living with Monthly Cash Flow. I'm also the award-winning author of the book Master Your Universe, 11 Universal Rules for Success, and the author of the new book Attract Money Faster, 8 Secrets to Manifest More Money into Your Life. I'm an actor, director, and producer, but it's not about me. Today, I want to speak about an amazing workshop that I attended with Raymond, his speaker and communication workshop. This workshop was amazing in giving me the tips and tools that I needed to use to not only elevate my speaking, but also my communication and to be able to speak more clearer and communicate better. Raymond gives you practical tools and tips that you can use not only to improve your speaking, but also to improve every area of your life. Communication is one of the most important skills that you could ever learn. And Raymond teaches you his unique system that he has developed over his 40 or 50 plus years of speaking. One thing that I really got a great benefit from Raymond's workshop was that he helps you actually create a product that you can use and sell and make money right from the workshop. It's amazing. He has his own system and he shares those wisdoms and secrets with you. As a result of going to Raymond Speaker and Communication Workshop, I am more confident in my speaking and communication and now have the confidence that I'm going to achieve my goals easier and faster than ever. As a result, I'm more confident when I'm speaking. I know how to use my story and to be able to share my message in a positive, powerful, impactful way. I've been booked on more stages and I've studied with some of the top people in the world in personal development and success, whether it's Les Brown, Tony Robbins, or Bob Proctor. But I can tell you, none of them actually teach speaking and communication the way Raymond does. I've been to Toastmasters and none of them give you like a systematic approach on how you can actually grow your business through speaking and communication. A lot of them just want to give you little general tidbits, but Raymond actually shows you how to make money from speaking. And the proof is in the pudding. He's been speaking all over the world for the past 40 or 50 years, and he's practicing what he's preaching. And, for the price point, it's just a no-brainer. He gives all of his wisdom. He does not hold back. And because of that, my life has changed. I've been booked on more stages, and I'm more confident when I speak. But more importantly, I know that I can use my story and I can persuade and communicate better. And what that's going to do is that's going to grow your business. That's going to grow your client base. That's going to make you stand out more, because right now more than ever, you need to stand out. You need to be able to share your message in a powerful, impactful way. And I know you have a message and a story to tell, but if you don't know how to communicate it properly, then not only you miss out, but the person who you want to help misses out. So this is such an amazing workshop, and I've gone 3 times right now. I highly recommend if you've been to go again, because every time it just sinks deeper and deeper and deeper. And so I'll see you there. I'll probably be there again. Raymond, thank you so much for giving me all your tools and all your wisdom. And I just want to say you're amazing. And if you're thinking about going to this workshop, don't think about it, just do it. You're going to get so much great value. And for the price point, it's pennies compared to the giant nuggets of wisdom that you can use and use for the rest of your life. Once you know how to speak and communicate, you're able to influence more, you're able to sell more, you're able to persuade and convey your message in a way that, other people will gravitate to, and they'll want to do business with you. They'll want to talk to you because they're like, hey, I like the way that person is communicating their message. So this is Manny Bains. I highly endorse Raymond Speaker and Communication Workshop. And Raymond, you're amazing. Thank you.